everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a beauty video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this nice little mini twist style during our lovely quarantine. Because I'm not doing much to my hair and I am tired of looking like a hooligan. So I decided to give myself some mini twist, and yeah, let's jump into the video. So I am starting with my hair in about 8 big twists. Please ignore the picture in the background. Somebody made that for me. But I'm just undoing my twist and spraying some water on it so it can be a little bit easier. And then I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb and just comb until there is no tangles whatsoever. Your comb should be able to pass smoothly through your hair. And this is how it looks. It should give you a blow dry type of look, a stretched look. And so I'm just going back in with my spray bottle with my water in it, and I'm using Suave's Curl Defining Cream. I really like this. I have another video using this entire product line. I'll link that down below. But these products are really good for definition, and yeah, so I put that on my hair, and now I'm going in with my Denman brush, just making sure my hair is tangle free. And now I'm going to take a small section and I begin to twist. So I'm just going to split my hair into 2, and then I just start twisting. And I'm going to show this process a few more times, so if you didn't catch it that time, because I know it's pretty fast, just keep watching. I like to twirl the end part around my finger just to make sure that it's really curling at the end, but I'm just going to repeat this process all over my head. So I finally finished this first side. I'm not sure how long it took me. I was literally watching Netflix, but I think it only took me an hour and a half, because yeah, it couldn't have took me that long. But nonetheless, this is how the right side of my head looks, and you can see that my twists are really springy, and I'm probably going to stretch them out later, but they're kind of shrunken right now. And this is how my hair looks when I finish the whole head. I'm not gonna lie, I did get lazy, so I did start making big twists, so you can see that my hair is frizzy and it's not as defined or, you know, just smooth as it should be, but that's fine with me because, like I said, we are quarantining. But now I am just using my growth drops from Unicoils, and I'm just working that into my head. And I'm gonna do my edges a little bit, not too much, because like I said, your girl is on quarantine, and voila, your girl's hair is done. Well, it's done for being in the house. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope it was helpful. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani.